Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7a and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type we've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the button to the center of your device and hold your finger on the screen. After releasing here, you can see that we've got previously opened apps, and if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them with only one click, just pick this trash bin icon. As you can see, here we've got the information. Of course, we can check it. And here we've got no recent apps, which simply means that we just successfully turned off all of them. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Honor X7a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.